Look at that, man. But anyway, we're here.
Cool.
At this ancient ground. Who put these bricks together like this? Because, you know, it's not easy to put this structure together. Even though it's so simple, it's very complex. Like, there was no machinery like now. And you can see some brute force has been put into this, not just once. We can all guess what it was, but none of us will know. And look at the stones have been made as also, obviously, like, what material is it? Some type of concrete that they've created. It looks like a lava. You can see it's got stones in it. And it's rock solid. And I don't know what was built up here. So I don't know if it was covered with land and they were hiding down there. I don't know. It's an interesting place. We should know a bit more about it. Some people come here. Looks like they enjoy it. It looks like they're leaving blessings for the gods, maybe. So maybe this is a temple. They're leaving food and water, cigarettes. No way. Wow. People's like left pre-rolled joints here or cigarette for the gods. Some you know, like offerings.
Yeah.
There's like a rolled up, I don't know if it's a tobacco or a joint or something. Wow. There's a hammock down there, so people come and just hang out here. And this is what I mean. You don't have to go to Angkor Wat to get this feeling. Look at these stones just dumped there. Like, maybe they were supposed to come up here. Maybe they fell down. I don't know. But these blocks, like, I'm just trying to think. How was they moving these blocks around? Because you can see there's got 2 holes in it there. So maybe they're being dragged somehow. Maybe with animals. I don't know. It's definitely interesting though. It's even more interesting when you don't know the history of it. It makes you use your own imagination. But in this day, it seems like people are still using it. And some people believe that there's something to do with gods here. This isn't seen by tourists enough. And there's nothing wrong with coming here on a day out. The same as going to one of the other temples that you pay for. I mean, this is what you're over here for. You're over here to see things. So if there's something that you can see for free, this is history as well. It just depends on what you're looking for. But if you've got children and you've got a good imagination and you can tell the story of what this is and make this exciting, there's all them holes underneath you could run through with the children. You could have fun here. You don't have to pay $40 for Angkor Wat. That's really doing my head in a bit. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it or not. And I've wanted to go Angkor Wat for over 20 years before I even knew what it really was. When I seen it, I was like, I want to go and just sit outside that and just chill. I've always said that from when I first seen it. And now I'm here in the country. I'm struggling to pay. So,
but this is like, it calls itself an ancient bridge, so we could assume that at one point water was running through this.
Right.
So it's like a...
I was thinking it was a temple or something.
No, I think it's like a bridge to a temple. But this is like the ancient bridge to it that they would pass.
That is interesting.
Possibly to